Whoops, ran out of room on that video. Yeah, what I was saying, the problem a lot of traders have is that they over, and again, I don't mean to say this, they analyze so much data before they pull the trigger that the opportunity to exit or enter a trade has been lost. And they, by the time they pull the trigger, market pulls back, and they had a tight stop. They get stopped out. They get frustrated, and they quit. So the best way to trade is to get in as close to the pivot point as possible, so that if it does come back on you, you've got plenty of time to react. So that's the idea here. All right, let's get the micro decisions out of the way and let the trader make the major decisions, being, okay, let's read the premium. Let's see whether or not this makes sense. And then if so, well, fine, pull the trigger. And when it comes to the strategy, and I mentioned the code, this is the code, okay? It's all in here. Woo, 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 woo. All right, so you've got a lot of code in here, better than almost, well, to be honest, there's more code there. We've got over 1,000 lines of code in this strategy. And it's all been properly coded. There's no errors in it. But you manipulate it, yeah, you're gonna have to account for the fact that you. Okay, now there's a nice exit up there at the top, right into the upper value area. Premium, as you can see, was dropping in here. Heck of a trade. Look at that. You're getting in 37, let's just say 37 just for easy figuring. And you're up here at 45. Okay. 8 points. Not bad. Alrighty. Go to our website for further information. Give us a call, ask for a demo. You can look at the order bar or the order screen if you're interested, but you really need to get some education on how this works. We don't have time to go into all the details. But what is included, I should mention, what's included. We give you a this is a description of how the strategy is put together, the various studies that are included in the broadcast indicator, how the workspaces are organized, what's included in the workspace, how to use it, what the plot indicators are, and then we go over what the data feeds are here, what they're set to, the various conditions that have been pre-programmed. They're not the only ones that you can program, but these are it. And then how we've set up the strategy conditions to account for the various subconditions that we have created, and then how those conditions are put together to create the actual strategies. That's all placed in here so that you have a good description. You don't have to go into the code in order to do that. So there's 8 strategies at present that are pre-programmed, and all of the workspaces are already in existence. We do use market profile. We don't offer that. That's a separate item which you have to acquire separate from us. We use Jim Carlson's profile. Works quite well. All right, I'm Rod Kusin, Spooman. for risk.